So here we are going to verify the Archimedes principle, which states that when a body is partially or completely immersed in a liquid, it experiences an upward push or a force called buoyant force, which is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by its immersed part. Now, what is buoyant force? Actually, it is a force which comes into play when an object is immersed in a liquid, and this force acts opposite to the weight of the object. And for this we need a measuring cylinder, a spring balance and a metal bob which will act as an object. Before we start, we need to count the least count of measuring cylinder and spring balance both. First, see the least count of this measuring cylinder. As you can see the graduations, so between every two marked numbers there are 10 divisions. It means one division represents 2 ml. It means the least count of this measuring cylinder is 2 ml. Next, for the spring balance, as you can see on the left side the graduations are in gram weight, and on the right side it is in newtons. So let's first see here on the left side, between every two numbers 0, 25, 50, there are 5 divisions. It means each division represents 5 gram weight. So the least count of the spring balance is 5 gram weight. Now we'll use the spring balance to record the weight of this metal bob by suspending it in the air. Let's see. Now we'll wait for some time to let the pointer become stable. As you can see, the pointer is coinciding with the second reading next to 75. It means it is 85 gram weight. Now let's see how much weight this metal bob will lose when it will be immersed in water. For that I have this measuring cylinder. I have already filled it with water, and now I am going to immerse this metal bob into water. As you can see, the initial level of water is 130. Now I will immerse this metal bob inside water. Now as you can, it's completely stable spring balance, and weight is here 75 gram. Let's note down the readings now. Weight of the object in air we calculated, it was 85 gram weight. After immersing the object in water, the weight came out to be 75. It means it has lost 85 minus 75, 10 gram of weight. And next, initial volume of water when no object was inside it, it was 130 ml. Let's see the final volume now. Let's see the final volume of water when object is inside it. So as I can see, the level of water is 140 ml. To see, as you can see here, 140 ml. As we have seen, the final volume was 140 ml. So volume of water displaced is 10 ml, that is 140 minus 130. So 10 gram is the weight of water displaced. So here the loss in weight of the body, that is 10 gram weight, matches with the weight of the water displaced, that is 10 and 10. So this verifies Archimedes principle.